Nature Based Carbon Capture Technologies, BECCS and DAC. Explained, BECCS stands for Bioenergy with Carbon Capture and Storage. DAC stands for Direct Air Capture. BECCS is a technology that can be used to capture and store carbon dioxide emissions. It has the potential to be a carbon-negative technology, meaning that it can remove more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere than it releases. Here's a simplified explanation of how nature-based BECCS works. Biomass, organic material, is grown and captured. The biomass is burned to produce energy. The carbon dioxide emissions from the burning process are captured. Captured carbon dioxide is then stored underground, or in the ground as biochar, like charcoal, permanently removing it from the atmosphere. DAC is another technology that can be used to capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, unlike BECCS, DAC does not involve burning biomass. Instead, DAC uses filters or other technologies to capture carbon dioxide directly from the air. BECCS and DAC are both promising technologies that could help to mitigate climate change. However, there are a number of challenges that need to be addressed before they can be widely deployed. These challenges include the cost of BECCS and DAC. Both technologies are currently expensive. Sustainability of the biomass feedstock for BECCS. If BECCS is to be sustainable, the biomass feedstock must be grown in a way that does not harm the environment or raise the cost of food. The potential for leakage of stored CO2. There is a risk that CO2 that is captured and stored underground could leak back into the atmosphere. Despite these challenges, BECCS and DAC are both important technologies that could play a role in mitigating climate change.